Hello students, today we are moving to another topic in business environment. For this I will show you a digital album related to the concept that we are discussing now. So all of you carefully listen that album, okay? What do you notice from that digital album? Yes, it includes the various news related to the economy of India, isn't it? So, whether these factors or these news affect the operations of the business? Yes, it certainly affects the business operations.
So today we are dealing about a new topic, that is the economic environment in India.
Can you identify this picture? Yes, it's related to the currency of our country. So whether the currency has greater importance in economical perspective? Yes, it has a greater importance because it acts as a yardstick or a parameter for measuring the national health. So it has a greater importance in economical perspectives. In addition to this, there are several other factors which affect in the economy, such as interest rate, inflation rate are also affecting our economy. So we can say that the economic environment of India consisting of several macro level factors. So in this session we are dealing about these macro level factors in detail. We all are familiar with the various public and private sector enterprises operating in our country, isn't it? Yes. So look at this collage. It includes, yes, both public and private sector enterprises. So these two sectors are contributing to the economy. Do you know the kind of economical structure that our country is following? നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞു പബ്ലിക് സെക്ടർ ഉണ്ട്, പ്രൈവറ്റ് സെക്ടർ ഉണ്ട്. ഈ രണ്ട് സെക്ടേഴ്സും കൂടിയിട്ടാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഇക്കോണമിയിലേക്ക് കോൺട്രിബ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ അപ്പൊ ഏത് തരത്തിലുള്ള ഇക്കോണമിക്കൽ സ്ട്രക്ചർ ആണ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ത്യയിൽ ഫോളോ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? യെസ്, വെരി ഗുഡ്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ മിക്സഡ് ഇക്കോണമി. Mixed economy is an economical structure in which there is a coexistence of both public and private sector enterprises. So what we can say is that one of the main macroeconomical factor which affect the economic environment of India is the economical structure.
The next important factor is the economic policies taken by the government. It includes industrial policies, economic policies and the fiscal policies. Fiscal policies refers to the use of the government budget to affect the economy. The industrial policies are taken by the government to encourage the development and growth of the economy. Monetary policies is the macroeconomic policy laid by the government to control the money supply, interest rate and inflation, consumption, growth and liquidity.
In addition to this, there are some economical planning in our country, alle? So can you identify this picture? Yes, it is the planning commission. Whether it is still exists now? No, alle? Our organization replaced by Niti Aayog, alle? Enda Niti Aayoginte full form? Yes, good. The National Institution for Transforming India. So there is an economical planning. ഇതുപോലെ തന്നെ the government is declaring, yes, annual ബഡ്ജറ്റ് അല്ലേ? ഈ ഒരു ചിത്രത്തിൽ നമ്മൾ കാണുന്നത് ആനുവൽ ബഡ്ജറ്റ് ഡിക്ലെയർ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നതാണ്. സോ ദർ ഇസ് എ പ്ലാനിങ്. സോ ഓൾ ദീസ് ആർ ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് വിച്ച് അഫക്റ്റിംഗ് അവർ ഇക്കണോമിക്കൽ എൻവിറോൺമെന്റ്. സോ വി ക്യാൻ സേ ദാറ്റ് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഫാക്ടർ വിച്ച് അഫക്റ്റിംഗ് ദ മാക്രോ ഇക്കണോമിക് എൻവിറോൺമെന്റ് ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യ ഈസ് ഇക്കണോമിക് പ്ലാനിങ്. Look at this picture. Can you identify this? Yes, it is the infrastructural facilities that which are available in a foreign country. So we know that there is a differences in the infrastructural facilities that which are available in a foreign country and in our country. So The infrastructural facilities like banks, transportation, and communication facilities are the next macro level factor which affecting the economic environment.
Last macro level factor which have an impact on business and industry is the economic indices. Economic indices track the economic health of a country. It includes GNP. GNP is the value of all finished goods and services owned by a country's resident over a period of time. And it includes GDP. GDP is the total value of all goods and services produced by a country. And the national income is the total value of country's final output of all goods and services produced in an year. So we have discussed the economic environment in India and the macro level factor which have an impact on business and industry.
I hope the concept of economic environment in India is now clear for you. So when you come on next day,
Try to find out the importance of economic environment at the time of independence. Thank you.